Sometimes you get a blessing and you're thankful. Sometimes things ain't going your way. But I don't know about y'all. I got to pray. I know I need to pray. Gotta hit them knees. Pray. I got to get it in. Oh, Father. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I ask, Father, that everyone that hear this, let your spirit touch them, Father. That they walk bold in you. That they be the warriors that you made us be, Father. That you rebuild this nation, a righteous nation. A men that care about their children, Father. Men that raise their children, Father. Men that love their women, Father. Men of principles, Father. We're strong people, Lord. Lift my people up, Father. On the blessings of our ancestors, Father. Bless the Obamas, Lord. Give thanks for everyone that had this. Blessings. Rastafari.